Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to show you how vacuum cleaners work, and there are 6 different types. Rest assured, we will also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mention are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Vacuum cleaners are one of the handiest household cleaning appliances used today. Their simple yet effective designs have done away with having to clean dust and other small particles off surfaces by hand. This newfound freedom then turned house cleaning into a more efficient and fairly rapid job. To find out how vacuum cleaners are able to do this exactly, we need to discuss the following. Negative pressure. The simplest way to explain how vacuum cleaners work is through negative pressure. Negative pressure works like a straw. When you take a sip of drink through a straw, the action of sucking creates a negative air pressure inside the straw. Electric motor. To create this negative pressure, vacuum cleaners use an electric motor that spins a fan that sucks in air and any small particles caught up in it. It then pushes it out the other side into a bag or canister. This also means that the electric motor is the main muscle system that moves the whole cleaning operation of the vacuum cleaners. Filter. The filter is another piece of puzzle that makes a vacuum cleaner work. The air does not just pass through and get ejected out the other side. It gets passed through a filter before getting thrown into a dust bag or canister. The reason for this is that on top of the dirt and grime that a vacuum picks up, it also collects very fine particles that are almost invisible to the eye. Since not all of these particles are trapped by the bag or canister, the vacuum cleaner passes the air through at least one fine filter, and often a HEPA or high-efficiency particulate arresting filter to remove almost all the dust. Now that you know how a vacuum cleaner works, it's time you should know about the different types of vacuum cleaners. No two vacuum cleaners are alike, which can make it hard to know which type is right one for your home or business. While there's no one-size-fits-all solution, all types of vacuums have their own pros and cons. The first type of vacuum cleaner is the canister vacuum. One of the main draws of the canister vacuum cleaner is that it makes it easier to clean in nooks and crannies, and behind or underneath furniture. This is because canister-style vacuum cleaners have a vacuum head that is attached to the main unit by a long hose. The main unit rolls along on the ground behind you while you vacuum. This might be the vacuum for you if you have stairs in your home, as it is tough to tackle stairs with most other models. If this type of vacuum sounds like what you're looking for, then our team recommends the Kenmore Pop and Go Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Kenmore Pop and Go has a 2-motor system that excels in suction strength, making it perfectly capable of heavy-duty cleaning jobs. Our team would also like to highlight that this vacuum cleaner's multi-purpose design with swivel head helps clean all areas and surfaces in your home, den, kitchen, car, and garage with relative ease. Lastly, it has a triple HEPA filter system which traps 99.97% of dirt inside the vacuum. Our team recommends the Kenmore Pop and Go when you prefer the flexibility and reach that this unit provides. The vacuum cleaner will make quick work of cleaning hard-to-reach places such as below and behind furniture. The second type of vacuum cleaner is the upright vacuum. Uprights are the most popular vacuum cleaners on the market. Their large, powerful heads make cleaning carpets a breeze. It's also easy to store them because most of the space they take up is vertical. Most upright vacuums come equipped with longer cords and larger dirt capacities than canister models, and they often have motorized bristles for more effective carpet cleaning. If this is the kind of vacuum you're looking for, then our team recommends the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This upright vacuum from BISSELL has a triple-action brush roll that loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. It also has a scatter-free technology that will make cleaning easy and with less debris scatter. Our team would like to highlight that this vacuum cleaner has a multi-cyclonic suction system which significantly improves performance without sacrificing any loss of suction power. The BISSELL CleanView vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for an upright vacuum cleaner because of its powerful performance thanks to its multi-cyclonic suction system. We recommend it to people with pets since it cleans embedded fur and debris with ease. The third type of vacuum cleaner is the robotic vacuum cleaner. Robotic vacuum cleaners are great for busy people who either can't move around due to age or injuries or don't have much time to clean. These little units clean while you're at work or at night while you sleep. There are a few drawbacks of using a robot vacuum cleaner, and one of those drawbacks is that these units can be difficult to program. If you're not a tech savvy, we suggest you call a friend to help you get started. However, if you're confident with your tech skills, then a robotic vacuum cleaner will make your life so much easier as you'll leave it dust busting around your home. If this automated kind of vacuum cleaner is what you want, then our team recommends the Eufy RoboVac Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Eufy RoboVac eliminates vacuum as a household chore thanks to its multiple cleaning modes and automatic cleaning schedules that you can configure to your preferences. With 2000 pascals of suction, Eufy RoboVac ensures your home is clear of dirt, dust, and crumbs. Although this unit may be super slim, our team would like to highlight that it is packed with a 3-point cleaning system consisting of a suction inlet, roll brush, and side brush, which deliver meticulous cleaning. What we love about the Eufy RoboVac is that it delivers on the core promise of an automatic vacuum cleaner, which is convenience. This vacuum cleaner will make your life easier without a doubt, so you can focus on other things at home or at work. The fourth type of vacuum cleaner is the stick vacuum. Stick vacuums are made to be incredibly lightweight, and their slim design means that they'll fit almost anywhere. This also makes them another good choice for people with bad backs or limited storage. The dirt receptacle in most stick vacuums is designed so that you can easily empty the container into the trash without touching the mess. There are two kinds of stick vacuums, the corded stick vacuum and the cordless stick vacuum. The difference between the two, aside from their obvious corded and cordless configuration, is that cordless stick vacuums tend to have less power than their corded siblings. For the corded type of stick vacuum, our team recommends the Shark Rocket Corded Bagless Stick Vacuum. The Shark Rocket vacuum offers lightweight power and corded stick versatility. With powerful deep cleaning, this corded stick vacuum will easily clean carpets and bare floors. It also offers swivel steering, which provides heightened control and maneuverability in corners, around furniture, and above the floor. Our team would also like to highlight that this stick vacuum has an easy empty dust cup, which easily disposes of debris with the touch of a button. Last but not least, this unit easily converts to a hand vacuum for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. The Shark Rocket Bagless Stick Vacuum is great for people who want an easy-to-use stick vacuum that can clean for all occasions. With this unit's convertible design, you can change it into a handheld vacuum and clean hard-to-reach spots with ease. For the cordless type of stick vacuum, our team recommends the Tineco A11 Hero Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner has an innovative motor that delivers 120 watts of deep cleaning power. This means it is powerful enough to remove hidden dirt and make quick work of cleaning up even large debris. Our team would like to highlight that although cordless stick vacuums are notorious for having lousy battery life, the Tineco A11 consistently delivers 40 minutes of interrupted runtime. It is ideal for cleaning large spaces in one session, so you won't have to wait and recharge. Lastly, this cordless stick vacuum comes with an abundance of tools for versatile cleaning. The power brush is ideal for deep cleaning, while the mini power brush is best for cleaning delicate surfaces. The 2-in-1 dusting brush is perfect for gentle cleaning, and the crevice tool is ideal for hard-to-reach spaces. With numerous attachments for different cleaning styles, the Tineco A11 Hero Vacuum Cleaner is the ideal tool for someone who prioritizes versatility when cleaning. The team thinks that this tool will serve you best if your home has different floorings and textures that need to be cared for properly when cleaning. The fifth and final type of vacuum cleaner is the central vacuum. Central vacuum cleaners are quieter, cleaner, and more flexible than portable vacuums. Their dirt capacity is huge, and they can often pump exhaust outside of the home. This makes them great for cleaning hardwoods and other hard surfaces, and they're also the easiest of all the options for cleaning stairs. One drawback that we found, however, is that they require professional installation. In addition, it can be difficult to find a local repair service if the unit breaks down. Despite this, central vacuum cleaners add significant value to your home for a future sale, which makes them a worthy investment. For this type of vacuum cleaner, our team recommends the OVO Central Vacuum System. What's most impressive about the OVO Central Vac is that it's 3 times more powerful than a portable vacuum cleaner, thanks to its 5.7-inch 2-stage AIM-Tech lamp motor. Despite its power, however, the OVO Central Vac manages to maintain a silent operation. This is because the unit is equipped with noise-reducing technology that allows you to clean your house without disturbing anyone. Our team would also like to highlight that the OVO Central Vac is equipped with soft start technology, which increases the motor's lifetime by 20%. We think that the powerful performance and silent operation that the OVO Central Vac provides make it one of the best central vacuum cleaners and the best vacuum cleaner in general. We recommend this to people who appreciate quiet performance above all. The vacuum cleaner will thoroughly clean your home without disturbing your children's nap. And there you have it, folks, the In the Home team's breakdown of how vacuum cleaners work and their 6 different types. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.